Hi everyone. I hope you all are doing good. So this video is I'm making this video on demand that many of the people have asked me to make this video. So they want to know that which all books I have read in my life. So initially in my previous video I've talked about the my journey of books, how they have changed my life and how they really benefited me. But today I'll be just talking about which all books I have read in my life and what impact they have on me. So I'll be starting off with my first book, that is, which I read was. Now I'll be just talking about the non-fiction journey of my books, and if any fiction book which has really impacted me in my life, I would be talking about that. So the first, my journey of non-fiction books, it began with this monk who sold his Ferrari. This is a book by Robin Sharma. I read it, and at that time, at that age when I read it, was like wow, very, very beautiful to me. So I read his book, Who Will Cry When You Will Die. It's also a nice book. So I initiated with the Robin Sharma books. And then I read all these, The Power of Subconscious Mind. It's a very beautiful book, The Power of Subconscious Mind by Joseph Murphy. So he has very beautifully written, how you can really get what you want in life, how the laws of attraction works in this universe. So when I read it, just blows off your mind. Oh wow, this is also how it works. So then I read The Secret also, which many of you must have read. It's also a nice book. And then I read a lot of Robert T. Kiyosaki books. So this is for the people who really want to get rich and who want to earn a lot of money and they want to become entrepreneurs. Robert T. Kiyosaki's Rich Dad and Poor Dad. It's a very beautiful book. One must read, in their lifetimes. That it's that beautiful, and it has a lot of good insights. And the way the book is written is also very nice. And you'll just get a glimpse of what entrepreneurship is, and in better ways how you can earn a good amount of money also. So yeah, this was one book. And then I would like to talk about Jack Canfield books. I have read a couple of books by him. His book, Dare to Win, and then Success Principles. They are also decent books and nice. And now I want to talk about one of my favorite epics, which is Mahabharata. Mahabharata has changed my. It's not a life-changing book, but it's one of the books which everyone must read in their lives. It has all the possible characters, whatever you can think of. It has story in a story. And I read that book, Mrityunjay. It's a story from the Karna's point of view, and it's a very beautiful epic. It's a thick book, but it's very beautiful. The way it is written and the way they have told everything about the Mahabharata. And yeah, one must read this epic. It's a must read in their lifetime, that you should know, the history of India, the Mahabharata, which is well known. And then yes, then somebody gifted me, not somebody, my husband and my sister-in-law only gifted me this book by Sadhguru, Inner Engineering book. This book changed my life in many, many ways. I still remember that I just read this book immediately after my wedding, and my husband just gifted me before my wedding only. And I read this book on my honeymoon, and it just blows me off. It's very beautiful book. It actually changed my life in many possible ways. Once in your lifetime you must read that book. This is by Inner Engineering by Sadhguru. I have read a lot of books by Sadhguru also, and all of them are just beautiful. And some of them I can tell you, one of his latest books which they launched on Mahashivratri is the Death Book. And Mystic Musings, I have read a couple of books by him. And then comes, yes, Immortal Talks. Immortal Talks is one of the books which I read. It's just beautiful. It tells you everything about the existence and the universe, how the universe works, and how this very existence is working. This is, the Lord Hanuman. He's teaching his disciples the laws of existence and the laws of universe. So it's very beautiful. And the best part about this book is it's written in the story form. It's not a very fiction kind of a book. It's like a story, some story you are reading. And you must read both the parts of Immortal Talks. And Immortal Talks has its own page also on Instagram, which I've been following. You can also follow that. It's really nice. And that's all. I mean, these are the couple of books which have really touched me in many ways, and I have read them, over and over again. And they are kind of life changing books. Something, always hits you inside, and you really want to, what you really want to do probably with your life. You might get answers to it. And I'm also searching to them, and yes, I'm also on my way. And all the very best to all of you as well. Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you for watching me. Bye bye.